Well, why are you pulling him over?
Because we got a call in the one facility saying y'all were...
So we didn't make no traffic offense?
No, sir.
Okay, then he don't need to show his ID and insurance.
He does. As a driver in North Carolina, you have to show your ID.
If he hadn't made a traffic offense, no, sir.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not going to argue with you either. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
He didn't do a driving offense. You have no right to ask for his ID.
NC Tyrant Hunter is a solid activist. He's out there recording with a channel called Carolina Auditor. These guys are out there recording. An officer pulls them over and gets a retaliatory stop. And it just pisses off NC Tyrant Hunter. Watch this video. Make sure to go subscribe to NC Tyrant Hunter. And I'm also going to drop Carolina Auditor's link in the description as well. Both of these guys are awesome. Please go subscribe to them. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Thank you.
I am NC Tyrant Hunter coming at you today. Just make sure you hit that like button for me, guys. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to NC Tyrant Hunter. I would greatly appreciate it. How's he going? You going good?
Do you work here?
I do.
Can we get your name? Or your authority?
Do you need to contact or do you have some questions about our company?
We're just filming.
I got you. So, if you need any information about our company,
What
call our corporate number.
Oh, okay. What is that number?
It's on our website. If you go to our website, there's a corporate.
What's the name of your company? CS? It's not CSX, is it?
No, we're not CSX.
Kinder Morgan.
But that's all I can. Tell you.
No problem. There's a phone number right there.
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, he'll be calling somebody. We know. Yeah.
How y'all doing today?
Doing fine. How about you?
Good. You got your license and registration on you?
Well,
Registration.
why are you pulling him over?
Because we got a call in the one facility saying y'all were...
So we didn't make no traffic offense?
No, sir.
Okay, then he don't need to show his ID and
He
insurance.
does. As a driver in North Carolina, you have to show your ID.
If he hadn't made a traffic offense, no, sir.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not going to argue with you either. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
He didn't do a driving offense. You have no right to ask for his ID.
Should I pull out the road?
You don't have to. You don't have to give him shit
As a driver in North Carolina, if I stop, you have to provide an ID.
for a driving offense. Yes,
If you're
he
driving
didn't
a
make a
vehicle.
driving offense.
Okay, sir.
I know what the hell I'm talking about, dumbass. You didn't have to show him nothing.
Oh, I know.
Fuck you.
So I got to turn it sideways.
I should have got out. Recorded the fucking dumbass.
You can get out. Once you get out, they can't stop you.
I know they can't.
That's why I went and find another spot.
We need to get back in the car. Sir.
Stretching my legs.
Back in the car.
Doing that. You think you pulling over some rookies or something? You need to learn the law, sir.
I know the law.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
He don't need to show his ID if you did. If you better be glad I wasn't driving, you wouldn't have got shit.
Okay. Y'all have a good day.
Okay, kiss my ass.
You know it's a misdemeanor to cuss in a public park.
See that?
Okay, sir.
Free speech, dummy.
Disorderly conduct. to cuss
Free
in public-
speech, dummy.
Yes, sir.
Free speech. Take that with you.
Yes, sir.
Take that right there with you. All day. Fucking dumbass. He knows good and well he didn't need no fucking ID.
And he's a sheriff's deputy too. So you know they don't know nothing.
NC Tyrant Hunter and Carolina Auditor. Make sure you guys go subscribe to them. Jeff at NC Tyrant Hunter, he doesn't take any crap from anybody. I really love that guy's channel. I love both of these guys. Make sure you go subscribe and let them know San Joaquin sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Thank you.